Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Z Face and I'm back with another video. So for today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I transform this braiding hair, this straight braiding hair, into crochet curls. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and let's just get right into the video.
Have a blessed day. With you, mother, very happy. Yeah. Giving you my all. You take.
So before I start this video, guys, I went online to actually check the prices of crochet curls, and the prices ranges from $15 to $35. So that is within 80,000 to 21,000 francs CFA. Okay, so that is the price that you can actually get a crochet curly hair on Amazon. Okay, so let's just get right into the video. So in this video, I'm using my crystal braiding hair. All right, and this is how it looks like. You guys know the price of this hair, like it is very very affordable. So I just took it out of the pack real quickly, and then I used one strand of it and I used my scissors to just cut that into two. Like I divided the hair into two parts.
Sitting on the seashore, watching how the sunset with my baby leaning on my shoulder. So much love in the air, too much love in the air.
So that is how the hair is looking like, and then I'll go right into shedding the hair, like stretching the hair, just so that all the edges blend in together. Like you don't want to work with the hair just being straight like that, because you're going to have like some patches leaving out, if you guys understand what I mean. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is I'm just trying to stretch the hair more.
I take you with my all, girl. I got your back, me and you against the wall. Relationship goes, keeping you close. Relationship goes.
So after doing all of that, I'm just going to reduce some of that hair because I didn't want to work with like a bulk. Then I went into my detangling brush to just brush that out and just to make everything look smooth. Then I went in to start dividing the hair, like just opening the hair and walking through the hair, just so that everything makes it really smooth. And guys, I learned this process, like I watched Nappy Gabby's video, okay, and she did this crochet curls and it was really amazing and it looked so fine. If you're not subscribed to her channel, please make sure you check her out on YouTube. She's amazing. She did this video and I was like, oh my god, I need to try this. So I just decided to do this today for you guys. Okay, so right now I'm just walking through my hair. I just wanted everything to look very smooth, as you see me doing.
Keeping you close. Relationship goes. Keeping you close. Do it like that, girl. I would treat you so fine. You are.
So right now the hair looks really blended in. I don't have like anything straight or anything coming out, anything poking out. Everything just looks so fine and smooth. Then I'm just going into my Argan Zeebrata hair oil, and I'm just going to apply that onto my hair, you know, just to increase the shine and to make it more smooth and soft and easy to work with. Then I'm going to go into my detangling brush again and brush through the hair. Before working with this braiding hair, guys, you need to like really work on them so that it makes everything really easy, because the hair really tangles a lot. So you gotta detangle everything very well.
Yeah.
So my hair looks very okay right now. So I'm going into my wool thread and I'm just going to wrap that onto my chair in order to form the crochet. So I'm wrapping that about 5 times on my chair, and I'm just tying that really strong to my chair. And then you want to make sure the thread is really hard so that it doesn't move easily. Okay, So right now, going into my braiding hair, I'm just going to pat that a little bit, as you see me doing right now. I'm just going to be working with little chunks of my hair, and then what I'll do is I'm going to form a loop. Okay, I'm going to place the loop onto the wool thread, and then I'm going to pass my 2 fingers in between the loop and then bring them and just carry the whole mesh and pass it through the loop, if you guys understand this. And I'm just going to pull that, and I'm going to have a knot on the wool. I really hope you guys understand this. So that is what I'm going to be doing throughout this video. Like, that is how crochet is formed. Yes, I guess so. You just form your loop, put it on your wool, pass your 2 fingers in between, and you just carry the whole mesh, like the whole braiding hair, through that loop. It is very, very easy. It's as easy as that. And you want to make sure that the knot is very, very hard. Like, you just press it hard towards the wool, as you see me doing.
Love you desperately. With you I'm more than very happy. Yeah, giving you my all, you take it with your all. Yeah, you got me back, me and you against the wall. Giving me your all, I take it with.
So I am done. This is just one side of the pack that I used, guys. Like, I didn't really use the whole packet. This is just one pack. This is just half of a packet. Yeah, I hope you guys understand. Then I'm going into my perm rods. Okay, and I'm just going to start twisting my hair, and then I'm just going to wrap my hair onto my perm rod, and I'm just going to make the first wrap and bend my perm rod just to protect what I have there, so that my hair doesn't move. All right, and then you start twisting the hair around your perm rods closely. Like, you want the curls to be close to each other, so you're going to twist that to each other, close to each other, guys. I really hope you guys understand this. Oh my god.
Every time you smile, girl, I feel nice. You brighten my day like the sunshine. You giving me love, never seen that before. I can swear you're the angel for my life. Relationship goes, keeping you close.
So you're just twisting and twisting around the rod, and when you get to the edge, when you finish twisting your braiding hair around the rod, you just go ahead and bend the rod again, just to protect it from loosening.
I could treat you so fine. You are royal, you are royal, royal. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a young cheat. Wake you in the morning with a kiss on your head, with a kiss on your head. Cuddle you, then I give you breakfast in bed, give you breakfast in bed. Then we fight, little pillow fight, cause
So I'm just going to quickly do the rest. Okay, so just watch and enjoy. I really hope you guys understand what I'm doing. All right.
yeah, giving you my all, you take it with your all. Girl, you got me back, me and you against the wall. Giving me your all, I take it with my all. Girl, I got your back, me and you against the wall. Relationship goes, keeping you close. Relationship goes, relationship goes, keeping you close. That's all I wanna do, baby. Do it like that, girl. I'ma treat you so fine. You are royal, you are royal, royal. Sitting on the seashore, watching all the sunsets with my baby leaning on my shoulder. So much love in the air, too much love in the air. Kissing in the moonlight as a runaway line, breeze out the ocean, blowing on us, yeah. So much love in the air, too much love in the air. Baby, I love you desperately. With you take it with your all. Girl, you got me back, me and you against the wall. Giving me your all, I take it with my all. Girl, I got your back, me and you against the wall. Relationship goes, keeping you close. Relationship goes, keeping you close. That's all I wanna do, baby. Do it like that, girl. I would treat you so fine. You are royal, you are royal, royal. Every time you smile, girl, I feel nice. You brighten my day like the sunshine. You giving me love, never seen that before. I can swear you're the angel for my life. Every time you smile.
So after doing all of that, I'm just going to cut my wool, and I'm going to take out all what I have there, and this is it. So I'm just going to try as much as possible to remove the hair from the wool. Okay, so I was just removing it as you see me doing. Then I'm going to go into boiling water, like really hot water, and I'm just going to place that into the hot water. Okay, I know you guys must have, in fact I know everybody knows this curling process, using hot water to curl braiding hair. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to put that into hot water, and I'm just going to let that stay for a while, and then after I'm going to leave it to air dry on my very old pullover, and well, that's it.
Vanilla. It's a young cheat. Wake you in the morning with a kiss on your head, with a kiss on your head. Cuddle you, then I give you breakfast in bed, give you breakfast in bed. Then we fight, little pillow fight, cause I know you like it. Run around the house playing games so romantic. Baby, I love you, have less day.
So when it is dry, like when it is very dry, I'm just going to go ahead and try to unravel what I have there. Okay,
girl, I got your back, me and you against the wall. Relationship goes, keeping you close. Relationship goes.
so guys, this is actually my first time trying this, and I won't lie, I was so excited, and I was very happy that I had these beautiful bouncy curls. Like, the curls were amazing. Shout out to Nappy Gabby for this tip, guys. Okay, I said if you've not subscribed to her channel, make sure you go check her out. All right, so these are the bouncy curls that I have. Like, that is my crochet hair, guys. Like, I already have a crochet hair, and it's very cheap and very affordable. So I'm just going to go ahead and unravel the rest of them, and you guys are going to see how it looks at the end. Guys, this is so exciting and this is so fun. Like, I had mad fun doing this. It was so sweet. So guys, this is very interesting because you can actually have any color of braiding hair, and you can just form your crochet curly hair. Like, it's amazing, so amazing. So guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So I went ahead into my scissors to cut up the split ends that I have right there, as you see me doing, and I'm going to do a hair tutorial with this crochet hair. So make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, so when I upload that video, you're gonna see it as soon as I do it. All right, so stay tuned. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next one. Bye.
Vanilla. It's a young cheat. Wake you in the morning with a kiss on your head, with a kiss on your head. Cuddle you, then I give you breakfast.